Weed control in soybeans is a big challenge for farmers across the country. Part of the solution is using pre-emerge herbicides. But what if you're using tillage as well? Today's Iron Talk will discuss the timing, tillage tool, and depth of incorporation needed to make your soybean herbicides work their best. Primary herbicides that require tillage are trifluralin and sonilin. You can use a field cultivator, a field finisher, or even a disc. They're very forgiving products in the soil, as both trifluralin and sonilin are root inhibitors. Now, the important thing here is that these products need to be instantly incorporated. Their vapor pressure is so high that if you don't work them in right away, some of the herbicide will be lost. To accomplish this, you'll need to install a spray kit on the front of your tillage tool to spray the herbicide literally on right in front of the tillage. The alternative to this is to buy Purl instead. Now, it's similar chemistry to trifluralin and sonilin, except that you don't need to till it in at all. So Purl's the no-till product, but if you do want to till it in, just keep it shallow with a field cultivator running fast through the field. Valor and Authority products are in the PPO family and should either be left on the soil surface or very lightly incorporated. Retribution is a forgiving product that can either be tilled into the ground or left on the soil surface. The challenge is when you're mixing 3 different pre-emerge herbicides. Let's take, for example, if you're mixing Purl and Authority MTZ, which contains Retribution and Authority. You can use them with tillage or just a very light incorporation an inch or 2 deep. How about a combination with trifluralin? Well, of course, you'll need to do tillage and you'll need to do it instantly. Again, we recommend the spray kit to get 100% effectiveness of the herbicide. The good thing about trifluralin is it will save you probably $5 or $6 an acre versus picking the no-till options and using Purl. Pick the right herbicides and partner that with the optimum tillage system for excellent weed control on your farm this year. That's all for today's Iron Talk, and now back to the show.